Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are starting with partial fractions. Let us discuss the first problem. 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3. First of all, you have to observe that this is a proper fraction because the degree of the numerator is less than that of the denominator. So, this is a proper fraction. Now, how many factors you have here? 2 factors. So, you will get 2 partial fractions. So, here 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3 can be written as a by x plus 1 plus b by x minus 3. Now, that is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 3, and here you get 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3. X plus 1 into 3, x plus 1 into x minus 3, x plus 1 into x minus 3 cancel. You have 2x plus 3 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 1. Now, to get the value of a, we will eliminate b term. To get the value of b, we will eliminate a term. Now, we want to eliminate a term. So, what you will do? Put x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 here. 2 into 3 plus 3 is equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 is equal to a into 0 plus b into 4. A into 0 plus b into 4. B value is equal to 9 by 4. So, you got the value of b. Next, we have to find the value of a. In order to get the value of a, put x is equal to minus 1. Let us call this equation as 1. In 1, what do you get if you put minus 1? 2 into minus 1 plus 3 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 3 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 2 plus 3 is equal to a into minus 4 plus b into 0. 3 minus 2, 1. A into minus 4. A is equal to minus 1 by 4. You got the value of a, you got the value of b. Substitute in this equation. Let us call this as 2, let us call this as 1. Substitute in 2. Okay. So, what do you get? 2x plus 3 by x plus 1 into x minus 3 is minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 plus 9 by 4 into x minus 3. This is what you get. Minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 minus 9 by 4 into x minus 3. Shall discuss some more problems. Next problem, 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. So, here you have 2 factors in the denominator, so you will get 2 partial fractions. 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x is equal to a by 2 plus x plus b by 1 minus x. Let us call this as 1. 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. This a into 1 minus x plus b into 2 plus x by 2 plus x into 1 minus x. 1 minus x, 2 plus x, 1 minus x, 2 plus x cancel here. So also gets cancelled. So you have 5x plus 6 is equal to a into 1 minus x plus b into 2 plus x. We will eliminate a first to get b. Let us call this as 2. Put x is equal to 1 in 2. What do you get? 5 into 1 plus 6 is equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 2 plus x. 5 plus 6 11 is equal to a into 0 plus this is 2 plus this will become 2 plus 1 plus b into 3. So this is 11 is equal to b into 3. B is equal to 11 by 3. So we got b value as 11 by 3. Now in order to get a, we will put x as minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2 in 2. What do you get? 5 into minus 2 plus 6 is equal to a into 1 minus of minus 2 plus b into 2 minus 2. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 plus x is equal to a into 1 plus 3 plus b into 0. 6 minus 10 minus 4 is equal to a into 4. A is equal to minus 4 by 4. A value is equal to minus 1. Put a and b value in 1. So what do you get? This implies 5x plus 6 by 2 plus x into 1 minus x is equal to a by 2 plus x, that is minus 1 by 2 plus x plus b value is 11 by 3. 11 by 3 into 1 minus x, minus 1 by 2 plus x plus 11 by 3 into 1 minus x. This is what you get, the second problem. Here there is 1 plus of minus 1, this will become 3, this will become 3 and this will be minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3, a value is minus 4 by 3, this minus 4 by 3. So you have here minus 4 by 3 into 2 plus x. This is what you get. So let us do the next problem. Third one, 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2. This is what you get. 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2. First of all, we have to factorize this x square minus 3x plus 2. 3x plus 7 by 1 into 2 2, so x square minus 2x minus x plus 2, so 3x plus 7 by x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2, 3x plus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 1. This is what you get. Now this can be split into fractions. 3x plus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 1, nothing but a by, you can split into two fractions, a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 1. Call this as equation 1. 3x plus 7 by x minus 2 into x minus 1. Here you get a into LCM, x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 1. X minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1 cancel. Have 3x plus 7 is equal to a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Okay. Put x is equal to 1. Let us call this as 2. Put x is equal to 1 in 2. What do you get? 3 into 1 plus 7, a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 minus 2. So this will be 10 is equal to a into 0 plus b into minus 1. So 10 is equal to b into minus 1, b is equal to minus 10. So we got the value of b as minus 10. Now we have to get the value of a. In order to get the value of a, put x is equal to 2 in 2. Put x is equal to 2 in 2. What do you get? 3 into 2 plus 7 is equal to a into 2 minus 1 plus b into 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 7. A into 1 plus b into 0. 6 plus 7 13. A into 1. A value is equal to 13. B value is equal to minus 10. Put it in 1. In 1. What do you get? 3x plus 7 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to, a value is 13. 13 by x minus 2 minus 10 by x plus 1. This is what you get. Okay, right. Let us do the next problem for today. Fourth one, x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. This is what you have. So here consider x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1. Okay, this can be written as x plus 4 by x square minus 4 can be written as x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 1. So you have 3 factors in the denominator, so you will get 3 partial fractions. Consider x plus 4 by x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1 as a by x plus 2 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x plus 1. This is what you have. So x plus 4 is equal to a into x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus c into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay, now we have to find the value of a, b and c. So first one I will put x is equal to 2. If you put x is equal to 2, you have 2 plus 4 is equal to a into 2 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 plus b into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 plus c into 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 2. So you have 2 plus 4 as 6, that is equal, this will become 0. This will become 0. We will have b into 4 into 3. 6 is equal to 12b. b is equal to 6 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 2. We got the value of b as 1 by 2. Next we will find the value of a. How to find the value of a? Put x is equal to minus 1. You put x is equal to minus 1, you will get the value of c. Now, put x is equal to minus 1 in 2. What is 2? This is 2. What do you get? Minus 1 plus 4 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 2 to minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus c into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. This will become a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c into 2 minus 1 1 and minus 3. This is what you get. 3 is equal to minus 3c. c is equal to minus 1. So you got c value as minus 1, b value is 1 by 2. We need to get a value. Substitute we have substituted x is equal to 2. Next we will substitute x is equal to minus 2. In order to get b value, we will put x is equal to minus 2. So if you put x is equal to minus 2, here we have put x is equal to 2, you got b value. In order to get a value, we will put x is equal to minus 2. Now, put x is equal to minus 2. So, what do you get? Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to a into minus 2 minus 2 to minus 2 plus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 plus c into minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So here you will get 4 minus 2, which is 2, that is equal to a into minus 4 minus 1 plus b into 0 plus c into 0. So 2 is equal to a into 4. A is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So a value is 1 by 2, b value is 1 by 2, c value is minus 1. Substitute in 1. What do you get if you substitute in 1? Finally you get x plus 4 by x square minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to a 1 by 2 into x plus 2 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 2 minus 1 by x plus 1. This is what you get. So that is about this problem. Hope you understood this problem. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you, children.